Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search people on Instagram by their phone number. So first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Instagram application on your mobile and then tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. And when you are here, just tap on these three bars in the upper right and click on this settings. You will see this option account. Click on this. When you are in accounts, you will see this option contact sensing. Just click on this and make sure that this toggle is on. So just tap on it to on this and click on this allow. And when you allow this, you can see that this will help you to connect on Instagram. Your contacts are predictly signed and stored on our service. So it will help you to find your contacts. So now this toggle is on. Just go back to your profile. So here you can see your phone contacts on Instagram. So this is the way you can search people on Instagram by their phone number. So that's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.